Stop what you're doing. This is urgent. On October 23, 2025, Microsoft released an emergency security update outside their usual schedule. That's how serious this is. A critical vulnerability was found in Windows Server, the backbone for countless organizations worldwide. The U.S. Cybersecurity Agency, CISA, confirmed attackers are already exploiting this flaw. This isn't a drill, systems are being targeted right now. The vulnerability affects the Windows Server Update Service, or WSUS, the very tool meant to keep networks secure. Attackers have figured out how to use WSUS as a backdoor, potentially gaining deep access to entire networks. If your organization uses Windows Server, you must act immediately. Microsoft and security agencies aren't just suggesting action, they're demanding it to prevent catastrophic breaches. Let's break down what this vulnerability is, how it works, and what you need to do to protect your systems. Here's the technical lowdown. The bug is called CVE 2025-59287, a critical remote code execution (RCE) vulnerability. In plain English, attackers can run their own code on your server from anywhere, no password needed. The flaw is in WSUS, which manages updates for entire networks. An attacker sends a malicious packet, and the server, due to a coding error, executes it with full system privileges. That's like handing a stranger the master key to your building. With this access, attackers can: media group, hacker installing ransomware on computer, data theft concept with masked person at computer, cybercriminal accessing sensitive data on server stock, distribute equally, install ransomware, steal data, or Wazstains, Skybar C. Sign D Durham to attack others. The exploit is already circulating online, making it easy for even low-skilled hackers to launch attacks. This single flaw could trigger a global cybersecurity crisis if left unpatched. This threat is real and happening now. Security firm iSecurity confirmed active exploitation of CVE 2025-59287 just days after it was revealed. Their scans found around 8,000 potentially vulnerable WSUS servers exposed to the internet. Even after Microsoft's patch, over 2,500 servers remained unpatched and at immediate risk. Each vulnerable server represents a real organization: hospitals, governments, businesses. A compromised WSUS server can push malware to every computer in a network, turning a security tool into a weapon. The slow response to patching highlights a major cybersecurity challenge: acting fast enough. This isn't just about one server, it's about protecting the entire network. The risk is massive, and the window to act is closing. The US government's CISA issued a binding directive. All federal agencies must patch within 2 weeks. CISA also urged every organization, public and private, to treat this as a top priority. When CISA issues a warning, it's the digital equivalent of a tornado siren. Act now. Don't wait. Security experts everywhere echo the same message: patch immediately. Automated attacks are already scanning for unpatched systems, so delay is dangerous. This incident is a wake-up call. Attackers are targeting core infrastructure. Don't just patch this flaw, review and strengthen all your critical systems. The consensus is clear: patch now and stay vigilant. Here's what you need to do right now. First, identify all servers running the WSUS role in your environment. Download and install Microsoft's emergency update from October 23, 2025. Reboot the server to complete the patch. Don't skip this step. If you can't patch immediately, block inbound traffic to WSUS ports 8530 and 8531 at your firewall. As a last resort, disable the WSUS role temporarily, but know this will halt updates. Don't remove any workarounds until the patch is fully applied and the server rebooted. The bottom line: act fast. Follow these steps and lock down your systems. Your organization's security depends on it.